my name is Kate Counts. I work here at Gold's Gym, Baines Island. I'm a certified spinning instructor. I also teach yoga, body pump, and CX. So I'm in all three of the different rooms, but I spend a majority of my time in the spin room. So if you've been thinking about taking a spin class, there's some couple things that you need to know before you come into that room. First of all, you always should bring water, full thing of water before you come to spin. It's super important to stay hydrated. And then you also need a towel if you're coming, and just to wipe off your sweat. And then also regular gym shoes are just fine, but optional, you can also bring if you have on clip-on spin shoes, but they're not necessary. You can still be successful in the room without them. All right, and you have to come with a lot of determination and an open mind. So remember, when you're coming to spin, the lights come off. This is all on your terms. I want you to work at your own comfort level, but I also want you to step out of your comfort zone. So I'm going to let you know a little bit about bike setup. So before you come, if you are new to spin, try to get there at least 10 minutes before class so you can introduce yourself to the instructor and get your bike all set up. We have all the same bikes in the spin room. So in order to get set up, what you need to do is first we will adjust the seat height, then we will adjust the seat position, and then we will adjust the handlebars. So we're going to start with the seat height. So a nice rule of thumb is to come to hip distance here on the bike. So that's a little bit higher for me, so I'm going to lower mine down just a little bit. And of course, a certified spin instructor will help you do this your first time around and get you all set up on the bike. So here I am. This is where I usually have my seat at an E. All right, for seat position, there's two ways you might hear different instructors give you two different seat positions way to measure it. So either elbow to fist here on the bike, or you might come a little bit farther, elbow to finger. So when you come up on your bike, if you feel like you're a little bit too close to your handlebars, come off, readjust, and come elbow to finger. If you feel like you're really reaching towards your handlebars, I want you to go ahead and come elbow to fist. So what I'm going to do is take this knob behind and loosen it up. Then we're going to take my spin, this will move it back and forth like so. Just going to take it and move it elbow to fist. And go ahead and lock in your back. It's really important that you make sure you lock in your screws before you get on your bike. Now handlebars. Handlebars are all preference, but I like to say if you are new to spin, the higher the better, because it takes a lot of pressure off your lower back. So we're going to stay high today, but the more you spin, the lower your handlebars are going to come down. All right, so another rule of thumb, you come on up onto your bike. There are baskets if you don't have your spin shoes to connect in. I just want you to loosen up your baskets here, get nice and comfortable, bringing your feet into the basket. So in order to lock the front strap out and just kind of pull it, you're going to feel the baskets get nice and snug to your feet. Then lock it back in. So if you do adjust your bike, it's not set in stone. So in order to check the bike, what you're going to do is, here's your resistance dial right here. You're going to take all the resistance off by pulling your dial all the way to the left. And then you're going to bring your foot all the way flat to the floor. All right? A lot of times you're going to see people bring their heel up or heel down. I want it nice and flat. So when you come flat, your knee should track directly in line with the middle of your foot. So if I held a string from your knee with a weight on it, that weight should hang right in the middle. All right, you should be ready to ride.